In a misty valley, a small group follows a seasoned guide who blends survival skills with outdoor education, turning every moment into a lesson. They learn to read wind, moss on trees, and animal tracks to plan safe routes rather than rely on gadgets. Hands-on practice includes building shelters from available materials and purifying water using improvised filters. The guide weaves ecological awareness, teaching respect for habitats while mastering firecraft and signaling for help. By sunset, the group realizes outdoor education turns raw survival into confident, thoughtful, practical exploration.